Okay, so the pump, the stove, and the wash tub, it's the stove that's the killer. The stove is the killer. Not my numbers, the numbers. World Health Organization data, 2.1 billion people today are cooking with traditional biomass, cooking with solid fuels, charcoal, dung, wheat straw, firewood. And what has that caused? A public health crisis that we hear nothing about. Nothing. I'm going to hit you with some more numbers, not a lot more, but consider this number. 3.2 million people die every year from indoor air pollution. That's more than die from AIDS, HIV, cholera, malaria, and tuberculosis combined. This is a scandal, ladies and gentlemen. 3.2 million people are dying every year because of energy poverty. Not my numbers, World Health Organization numbers. More people, or roughly the same number of people, 7 million people die from indoor air pollution every 27 months. That's roughly the number that died from COVID. Now, I was talking to my friend Matt Ridley. He said that number may be high, the deaths from COVID. Whatever the number, it's still a scandal. So why don't we hear about this? Because we are inundated with climatism. We are inundated with climate catastrophism. I won't read this to you. Sierra Club, Friends of the Earth, Natural Resources Defense Council, they are all adamantly anti-hydrocarbons.